Hi, this tutorial is going to show you how to install the ctcLink mobile app on your iOS or Android device. First, open your App Store if you have an Apple phone, or your Play Store if you have an Android. Then, search for your ctcLink app. Type in the search bar, ctcLink and click on search. Next, locate your ctcLink app. This left screen is for an Apple phone, and the right screen is for your Android phone. The ctcLink app, from the search results, they can come with in different ways. The app publisher is Washington SBCTC or Washington State Board for Community and Technical College. So you can see here Washington WASBCTC. For here, for the Apple, you just have ctcLink. So click on install and then wait for the installation of the app on your phone. After that, you click on open. Once you install your app, choose whether or not you want to allow notifications. Okay, so would you like us to send you notifications? Allow or don't allow. So you give permission or not. The next step, you're going to review the terms and conditions. So scroll down here the page and click review the conditions, and then click accept or agree. Now you're going to choose your college, which is Renton Technical College. You can type here or you can scroll here in the search bar and look for Renton Technical College. Once Renton Technical College is selected, you will be brought to the Renton Technical College ctcLink homepage. Here you can access the following: Student Portal, Canvas, Class Registration, Tuition Payment, and more. To learn how to use the ctcLink mobile app, you go to this site here, Mobile ctcLink Reference Center for Students, and the link will be in the description of this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the service desk at this address. Thank you for watching.